Hello, everyone, and welcome back. It's so good to have you here today. I hope you are ready to learn something simple but very powerful.
Yes, welcome back, everyone. We are really happy you are here with us again. And today, we are going to talk about something that can change the way you learn English and even the way you live your life.
Alice, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt tired while studying or working and just wanted to stop immediately?
Oh, yes, many times. Sometimes I feel tired after just a few minutes, and I want to quit and do something easier, like watching videos or relaxing on the sofa.
Exactly. And that's something most people experience. But today, we're going to talk about a powerful idea that can help you move forward.
Yes, today's idea is simple but strong. Don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done.
Let's say it again together. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
This idea is very important for learning English, for work, for daily life, and for building strong habits.
So first, let's understand what tired really means. Tired is when your body feels slow, your eyes feel heavy, and your mind says, I need rest.
Yes, when I am tired, I just want to lie down, relax, and stop everything. I don't want to continue any task.
And now let's understand what done means. Done means finished, complete, nothing more to do. The task is finished.
For example, I can say, my homework is done, my work is done, my task is finished, and I can relax.
Reinforcing. So the idea is not to stop when your body feels tired, but to continue until your task is complete, until you are done.
But, David, this is not easy. Sometimes I feel tired very quickly and I really want to stop.
I know, and that's why we need to make it easier with small steps, not big goals.
Small steps sound better because big goals feel heavy and stressful.
Exactly. Instead of saying, I will study English for 2 hours, say, I will study for 10 minutes.
10 minutes feels easy. I can do 10 minutes even if I am tired.
Yes, and when you finish those 10 minutes, you feel good because you are done.
And that feeling is different. I feel proud because I completed something.
But if you stop before finishing, you feel tired and also disappointed because you didn't complete your goal.
Yes, that's true. Stopping early makes me feel worse later.
But if you continue slowly, step by step, you reach 30 minutes and you are done.
And then I feel strong, proud, and happy because I finished my goal.
Exactly. Finishing creates confidence, and confidence helps you grow.
This is the same with learning English. Small daily actions build strong results.
Let's look at another real-life situation, cleaning your room or your kitchen.
Oh no, cleaning is always difficult when I am tired.
You eat dinner, you feel full, relaxed, and very tired, and you see the dirty kitchen.
And I say, maybe tomorrow. I will clean tomorrow.
But tomorrow comes, and the kitchen is still dirty, and now you feel bad.
Yes, that is true. I feel uncomfortable and stressed.
But if you clean for 20 minutes right now, even if you were tired, you finish the task.
And then I relax with a clean space and a clear mind.
That is the difference between comfort now and happiness later.
So stopping early gives comfort now, but problems later.
And finishing gives effort now, but happiness later.
I like that. Effort now, happiness later.
Now, let's talk about 3 simple secrets to follow this idea.
Yes, I'm ready.
First, remember your goal. Always ask yourself, why did I start?
I started learning English to travel and speak with people.
Good. So when you feel tired, think about that goal.
Instruction tone. Second, make your tasks small and simple.
Study for 10 minutes. Read 1 page. Learn 3 words.
Agreement. Small goals are easier to finish.
Third, give yourself a reward after finishing.
Yes, I like rewards, like coffee, music, or relaxing.
Exactly. Reward helps your brain stay motivated.
So remember your goal, take small steps, and reward yourself.
And most importantly, keep going even when you feel tired.
You are stronger than you think. You can finish what you start.
Reinforcing. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Challenge. Now it's your turn. Think of one small goal you can finish today.
Instruction. Maybe study for 10 minutes, read one page, or learn 3 words.
Encouragement. Say it out loud and commit to it.
Closing tone. Start small, stay consistent, and you will see real progress.
Smiling. We believe in you. Keep going and don't give up.
Friendly close. Thank you for learning with us today. We will see you in the next lesson.
Encouragement. Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep moving forward.